Hello, 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 everyone. Welcome back to my channel. It is me, it is I, it is she, it is her, it is thee, it is who. You know what? I don't think I can see anymore. I don't think I can see. I don't. But what I did find out today, I went to my dentist and I was like, oh man, I'm not going to be able to use up all the money, for the account that you set aside. And she said, you know what? I can't. She said, you know what? You can go buy some glasses. I was like, oh, I might not finish these appointments, honey. I might just go get me some Gucci's, baby. Give me $1,000 worth of Gucci shade. No, I have to get two teeth extracted, like this one and the one in back. I have to get the implants. Implants will not be happening this year. I might go to Mexico or Dominican Republic. But anyway, okay, okay, I can't see that. But I can't see. Oh Lord, I am all messed up. Oh, my vision. Oh, honey, I might have to. Them Gucci's might have to be some vision glasses. Okay, now I can see a little better. I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on. But I'm gonna get some Gucci's on there, some more Gucci's by the end of this year. Anyway, it is me. It is I. It is she. It is her. It is who. It is me. It is I. It is she. It is her. It is who. My neighbors, they gonna be upset. But guess what? If they had their own dwelling and they didn't live in an apartment, even though these apartments are huge, um, they wouldn't have to care. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Anyway, it is me. It is I. It is she. It is her. It is thee. It is who. It is Rosie Rosette 2020. Pow. Yeah, I got a lot of stuff that's going on as far as. Okay, anyway, let's look at this COVID stuff. This Omicron, they were just saying it's Omarion, but this Omicron virus, this variant, it's something ugly. Wait a minute, what is this on my, like a specimen or something? Like, it's not blood. I hope it's something that I was cooking with or whatever. I cook a lot. Anyway, let's get on with it. Okay, so let's look at the latest stories. If there is, oh my God, I think someone saw my video. I think someone saw my video because they have the daily totals. Okay, let's okay, so what's today? December 6th. So December 1st through December 6th, no, December 1st through December 5th, there was nothing. Absolutely nothing. Now I guess they want to act like they want to do some things. I don't know if there was a glitch, but I need to get Academy. Can I get an Oscar or a Pulitzer Prize or something like that? Something. All right, so okay, now I can't see. Okay, so COVID-19 in California. This is in the last 54 minutes. Track COVID cases, vaccine rates, or whatever. Oh, so now you guys want to track it. Oh, okay. Could Omicron variant cause less severe COVID-19 infections? Wisconsin wedding linked to 5 cases of Omicron COVID-19 variant. You know what? I'm good. I'm not fooling with y'all this Christmas. Well, I wasn't anyway, but I, I'm not going to any parties. Nothing. No, I'm not. New Year's Eve, I'm gonna be right at home. I was gonna do it anyway, but still, I'm really not. I mean, it was just like one party that I was gonna go to, but you know what? No one's wearing masks. No one is wearing a mask, and I'm just like, I got too much important stuff coming up, and I cannot chance getting Omicron. I just can't. California coronavirus updates. Ugh. Marin County parents knowingly. Oh, these are the parents who they had. I think I went over this, but the Marin County, a lot of them got money, but there's like a rich class in Marin, Tiburon, but no, there's a lot of people. My grandfather, before he passed away, he lived in Marin, and his house it's right above San Quentin. He you could see San Quentin from south. Anyway, and it was like he's no longer here. Um, and but then there's like underclass, because there's a lot of uh, I don't know the politically correct way to say this, but like maids and gardeners or whatever. So um, it's the rich, the middle class, and then the people that cater or work for them. I mean, it's like that everywhere, but in Marin, oh shoot, in Marin, there's a huge class difference. Like, the rich, mostly white and Asian, um, or Indian or what, I don't know. They live up in the hills and whatever. And then the underclass, they kind of live in the flats. I guess like everywhere else, but it's just like mostly it's like Latinos that care for the rich in the hills or whatever. Um, but my grandfather, he had a live-in maid and butler. That's not me. Okay, he's gone, but that's a whole nother video. I think you guys, I talked about it whenever. Anyway, Marin County parents knowingly sent child sick with COVID-19 to in-person school. You know, I, I don't agree, but I hate to say it like this, but I understand. I mean, I just, uh, you gotta do it. Listen, I mean, I don't know, both parents are, it's expensive to live here. You can't, you gotta get a job. You just got back to it. You can't get written up for taking, I don't know, you can't, you know what? Let me just go on. California COVID-19 case numbers remain low, but surge threat. That was irresponsible of them, because if the child had COVID, then not, well, if she had COVID, then they should have been able to take off of work because of COVID, because you get a certain amount of days. Listen, I don't know, but then if they were undocumented or if they were working under the table, see, that's what I'm saying. Like in Marin, you got the rich, and then you got the people who cater to the rich, but they're not getting any benefits or anything, and some of them are undocumented, and it's a whole big thing. So it's just everybody's irresponsible. Okay, everybody. Government. California COVID-19 case numbers remain low, but surge threat. Omicron variant identified in U.S. First case COVID. That was 5 days ago. It's a lot of cases now. COVID-19 vaccinations continue to climb in San Bernardino County. Thank God. COVID-19. California COVID-19 facts for Monday afternoon. Why have no other states joined California with a school vaccine mandate? Why didn't no other states join California when they shut it down? Ooh, ooh. California parents know that. Okay, we said that. We said that. We said that. That's 2 days ago. I'm not going to read. 15. Are Californians getting another stimulus check? That would be nice. I haven't got one. I haven't got one all year. No, I did get one in the beginning from Bush, but I think I did get a California check. Colorado COVID-19 surge, an urgent warning for California. State and local COVID-19 vaccination orders still apply to California. California coronavirus updates. Okay, 11 hour. COVID-19 tracker rising R number estimates. I'll say. I'll say. My grandmother used to say that all the time. I'll say. All right. So, we finally got the daily numbers. Thank you, CDC. I don't know why you. Oh, because of the variant, the new variant. Okay. But the stock. Oh, you know what? The stock market is doing well. It crashed on Friday. Or went down, allegedly. And I think they were hiding the numbers so that the stock market wouldn't just flatline. So now that the stock market is up, then they're starting, I'm assuming, starting to release the numbers. So there's a correlation with COVID-19 in the stock. Have you noticed that? With Florida, they won't post the numbers if the surge is high, because they need that tourist money. They still need people to come in. Okay, I understand. I got you. Okay, so in California has 5.13 million cases in the past 24 hours, 1,636 new cases. As far as deaths, it's 75,102. In the past 24 hours, two people have passed away in California. I don't agree with that, but listen. Okay, now as far as the United States, it's 49.2 million cases. They didn't display how many people attracted or got COVID, but I think it was 1,000. No, because there's only 1,000 in California. I don't know, because I think yesterday it was 48.3 million. So 1 million. 1 million people contracted it, maybe, allegedly. Now, as far as deaths, it's 788,000 people have passed away. 788,000. Okay. All right, let's go to Texas. Let's see what's going on there. You know what? I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going to be released. I don't know. The CDC is only doing it for something. Yep. See. Oh, shoot. Let me see, let me show you that. Okay, so it's clear as day. That's from December 5th. Okay, and you see that, look right under November 8th. You see that it's going up. So it is surging up. Okay, so you know what? These are a couple. What, it's a week, 2 weeks since Thanksgiving. So there's going to be a surge for Thanksgiving because people definitely got together for Thanksgiving. And then there's going to be another surge for Christmas because everyone's going to get together for Christmas. And then there's going to be another surge for New Year's and then Martin Luther King birthday. And then it's going to kind of be, but then there's Super Bowl. I don't know. See, I can't, whatever. Okay, so, all right. You know what? When I think when they were like, oh, she took screenshots. They were like, what if they were really, if someone from the CDC was looking at my videos? I mean, because it's only like 10 of you guys who look at it. Okay, let's go to Texas. Texas. Okay, let's look at the stories that have been happening in Texas. Top stories 5 hours ago. First Texas case of Omicron COVID-19 variant reported. This is in Texas. Omicron in Texas. TMA. Texas M&A. I'm thinking that's a university. COVID-19 task force member talks transmissibility. Texas state senator says people should avoid COVID vaccine. You know, I was thinking about moving to Texas, but they're just, ooh. Let's see, COVID-19 hospitalizations in Texas lowest in months, but other troubling signs arise. Unvaccinated 20 times more. Okay, that was 4 weeks ago, 5 days ago. Okay, Texas doesn't have a lot going on. You know what? Let's just be thorough and go through the news part. Let's see, 3 days ago, first Texas case of Marin. A month, yeah, they don't have a lot. Okay, 5 hour variant. Okay, so the big thing today is that the Omicron variant has arrived in Texas. Am I pronouncing that right? COVID-19 cases remain low in North Texas compared to summer Delta surge. Okay, but what about South Texas? You know, that still is a part of Texas, but okay, whatever. Whatever. Okay, let's get back to the graph. Okay, so Texas has 4.35 million cases. In the past 24 hours, 964 people have contracted it. Now, as far as deaths, they have 74,528. California had, what did California have? California, did they beat? No, okay. So California has 75,000 deaths. Texas has 74. 74, 528. 500 away. This is, oh, excuse me. In the past 24 hours, let's see, in the past 24 hours, what's going on in the past 24 hours? 27 people have passed away from COVID in the past 24 hours in Texas, whereas in California only two. So I'm I'm just reporting, okay? Oh, no, 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 no. Yeah, 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 yeah. Okay. Yeah, I thought I was reporting from California, but no, that was from Texas. Okay, let's see what's going on with Florida, because you guys know Florida. Okay, let's go with the top stories. Top stories. Central Florida, this was 2 hours ago. Central Florida County deemed rapid riser for COVID-19 cases. Oh, oh, oh. Was it Cardi B? Was just in Florida? Let's see. Florida COVID update: 2,714 cases and 158 deaths added. Is that for the week or for the day? Central Florida County deemed rapid riser for COVID-19 cases. Florida's governor celebrated his anti-mandate COVID laws. Now Omicron is here. As Omicron variant marches across America, Florida limits locals' tools to fight it. That is so sad. That's so ignorant. Like, why? I was okay. So one day, I think I went walking. I tried to walk, and I forgot my mask. But actually, I did have one deep in my purse. But anyway, maybe I had enough purse anyway. I didn't have a mask, so I went to Smart and Final, and then there's Safeway right across the street. They were both like, "We don't have extra masks. They're not sending us masks." I'm like, "How are they not sending you masks? This is a major, corporate retail store." They were like, "We don't know. We're not getting them." It's like, wow. And maybe they are getting them, but they're getting them and having just enough for the employees, because aren't they supposed to furnish that? I don't know. Florida sees spike in residents seeking vaccine boosters. Low vaccination rate among children in Florida concerns some pediatricians. Injection denied in healthcare vaccination fight. White House COVID report: Orange is only rapid riser county in Florida. I guess there's an Orange County in Florida. Okay, only 9% of children 5 to 11 have been vaccinated for COVID-19 in Florida. That was 3 hours ago. Ooh. Okay, so Florida, as of today, December 6, 2021, Florida has 3.7 million cases. In the past 24 hours, they're saying no new cases. Okay, so we know how Florida gets down. Let's not be surprised. How could it be a rapid riser but no new cases? Okay, yeah. Okay, CDC. Okay, Florida. Now as far as deaths, they have 61,789 deaths in Florida in the past. Okay, they're saying no deaths, no new cases. There should be. That's illegal. That's illegal to falsify information. Now, I'm assuming that all the states have to report the sums, and Florida just never. Florida, I don't know. I don't. Okay, wait. I don't know why Florida gets away with it. I have no idea why Florida gets away with it. I can't tell you. But let's go to New York. New York is usually has more of an up to date cycle of information that we can get. Okay, let's dig into it. All right, so New York City expands vaccine mandate to whole private sector, ups dose proof to 2, and adds up dose proof to 2. I don't understand what that means. And adds kids 5 to 11. COVID New York City update. New York City rapid, no, NYRR to require, I don't, what does RR mean? NYRR. To require proof of COVID-19 full vaccination to participate. And there's people running, is it when you run a marathon? I don't know. I see people running on the bridge. Okay, so New York City Mayor de Blasio announces COVID-19 vaccine mandate for private sector workers. New York is not playing, okay? They are not playing. They cannot go through another one of those rash. Like, oh my God, New York City was just like empty. Well, everybody was inside. New York City breaks new ground with vaccination mandate for all private employees. So all private and public. Um, New York City to mandate COVID vaccines for all private workers. Oh, it's about to get ugly, honey. It's about to get real ugly. U.S. coronavirus cases approach 50 million as New York City imposes new vaccine mandate. Omicron, excuse me, causes reinfections. Study finds New York City to impose vaccine mandate. Honey, yep, that's all they're talking about. Private sector and New York City indoor vaccine mandate expanded to cover kids 5 through 11. Oh, baby, it's going down. It's going down. Let's look at the numbers. What's going on in New York? Let's look at the numbers. See, New York always gives it. They serve it, honey. Okay. Oh, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Okay, so in New York City has 1.17 million. We don't know how many new cases. I mean, we possibly could find out, but I'm not doing all that. Now, as far as deaths in New York City, not New York State. Okay, you guys have to understand that I do New York City and I do New York State. There's two separate, not entities, but um, areas. Of course, New York City is a smaller, but New York State is the whole. Okay, does that make sense? All right. So New York City has 34,883 deaths. That's New York City. You hear? Oh, 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 you got. That's not me. Uh oh. Uh oh. One is running after the other. Uh oh. No. Okay. You see how the acoustics is like that? I'm 5 floors up. That you could hear it like it was just. I'm like right on the ground floor. Okay. Anyway. Um. Now in New York State has 2.79 million cases. They're claiming there's no new cases. Okay. Now, as far as deaths, they have 57,57332. In the past, they're saying no deaths. So maybe it's the East Coast thing. Okay, well, you guys heard that right. Okay, so um, I don't know why Florida nor New York City is not posting their numbers. Again, New York City, well, that's a stock market. So I that that's a stock market. So I think that's like holy grail land. They don't, you know, they don't want New York City to literally turn into a ghost town again, which I think after the new year, I need some lip gloss. After the new year, it's going to be turned right back into a ghost town. I mean, politically, there's no elections. I read this article yesterday. It's like all of retail is closing down. All basically. I mean, it's just everybody's just gonna order from Amazon, basically, allegedly. I mean, like every store, Nordstrom's, Macy's, Chick-fil-A. I think is Chick-fil-A completely closing the whole franchise or just certain stores, allegedly. Um, I mean, name a store, everything. Sears was going away before the pandemic, but I think, is Neiman Marcus closing all of their stores or some of their stores? I know. What was their outlet thing? That's gone. Is there? Or we're gonna all shop at the Goodwill and the flea market and Amazon? I don't need nothing. I absolutely, if I never shop again and I lose weight, oh, you guys, I've lost like, how much have I lost? There's always like a post, and it's like right here, like I have snot right there, but I don't have it. Anyway, um, oh, I lost, I'll say 5 pounds. Yeah, I'll say 5 pounds to be. hmm I started fasting um, on the first or second. I don't know. I think it was, yeah, it was the first. Anyway, and no, I think, yeah, starting tomorrow or Wednesday. I don't know. I don't know. Anyway, I started on, first or the second, and hopefully, because I'm above 200. I was 211, and now I am I'm just gonna say 206 to be safe. That's 5 pounds, right? Yeah. So I'm just gonna, but when you drink, you eat, it goes up. But literally, I like weigh myself all day. I know. But I'm just like that. Um, I'm trying to, so what I'm doing is I'm only doing one meal a day. And I dry fast. Well, you know what I do? I suck on, not breath mints, but throat lozenges. I eat those. And so I'll eat that until like 4, between 2 and 4. That's when I break my fast. And basically, you know what? Yesterday, literally, I ate nuts because I have a bag of mixed nuts, and I ate a. Did I eat a cookie? No, I didn't eat a cookie yesterday, but I made some shrimp rigon, and I had 3 of those, and today I had 2 chocolate chip cookies. I know, and I had the nuts, and I drank iced tea, and that's it. That's it. I haven't had anything else. And I am full. I am not hungry at all. And I drank, the iced tea. I drank about maybe, I need to start drinking a little more, though. I need to start drinking a little more. I do. But I pee so much. And then I have to be careful because when I did a liquid fast, like a water fast, and I can't do that anymore. I'm too old. Like, I'm right at the age. I don't know, when do you start wearing diapers? And I don't want to slip into that because it was, you know what I'm saying? So, pray for me. Pray that I get under 200, well under 200 this month because I don't want to start the new year over 200. I really don't. I mean, I could really get down. I could really get down. I think between because I think I might get my tooth extracted, and I know I might need to eat for that. But I think between the day that I get my tooth extracted and New Year's, I don't think I have any doctor's appointments or anything like that. And I think I might just go ahead and maybe get some of those diet teas or whatever and wing it, or drink. I told you I just made some homemade chicken soup. Like, just drink the broth, just drink the liquid, not the broth, the liquid from the soup, and not eat or whatever. Baby, I could get probably to 190. If I pushed it, I could do 180. I could honestly, if I did like, and then once I get off of this fasting, whatever, just go straight into keto. I'm not in ketosis yet because I keep eating these cookies, but I could do it. I just, I need to be focused, and I pretty much am focused. But and the nuts, they keep me very full. You know what? You know what I'm gonna do? Tomorrow I am going to make a shake, a banana shake, a protein banana. Yes. Thank you, you guys. Oh my God, thank you so much. I really do appreciate it. Okay, I gotta go. Bye.